Hey, what's going on, guys? It's the 313 Hemi here, and just wanted to make a quick video on the exhaust. I don't think I've actually ever shown it. I don't think on here. That was the cold start, so I haven't. What is it? It's like 48 degrees outside, Michigan winter. You know. Yeah, that was it. It's stock. I need to get like a nice exhaust because it sounds like a V6, and it's not what I like. So yeah, that was the exhaust system. I'll probably drive around and get some clips of it. It doesn't sound that great. If you punch it a little, yeah, it'll sound a little bit better, but I don't want to do that 'cause it's still cold. But I will be let's see, I'll probably do I'll show you clips of me studying. Actually, I'm about to go to Wayne State around like 4 because it's finals week, to do some last minute things on my projects, get a little bit of my physics reading done. Hopefully the next if I get the next 2 chapters done, I can start studying for the final. What else? But I'll get some, I'll be there pretty late at night. I'll show you guys what I'm doing. But I'm gonna get some time to eat, and I'll see you guys at Wayne.